In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to merge videos on iPhone. Let's get started. First, you'll need to get this app, iMovie. You can get this app easily from the App Store. Once you download it, launch it. Now click on the option Start New Project and select the option Movie. With that, your gallery will open up. Now go ahead and select the videos that you want to merge. Once you have selected, click on the option Create Movie. With that, your video has been merged. Likewise, click on this plus option. Now click on the option Camera. Now you are able to shoot the video. Likewise, clicking on the option of Video, your gallery will open up again. You can select the video from there and merge it. Once you are done, click on the option Done given at the top left. With that, your video will be saved. So this is how you can easily merge videos on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.